Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear turn signal bulb on a 2006 Kia Spectra. I'm going to be replacing this bulb right here. Okay, so once you're inside the trunk, you have these two clips that just screw right out. You just unscrew them. Once you unscrew those clips, this panel just slides out. There's tabs right here that go in there. Okay, take that panel out of the way. Once you get the panel out of the way, you want to locate what bulb that you want to change. This one's the turn signal bulb, the one that I'm changing. And then over here is the reverse light. And then down here is the brake light bulb. And then right there is the marker, a parking light. So in order to change the turn signal bulb, what you want to do is turn it counterclockwise, and then it pulls right out. Then to actually change the bulb, you want to push it in and turn it to the left, and it will come out. So when you go to put the new bulb in, you have two little tabs here, right? And what they do is they line up in the light socket. You want to push the bulb in and turn to the right. Then after that, you want to get a cloth and clean off the glass, because the oil on your hands will make it blow out faster. So then when you go to put it in, you want to line up these notches with the notches on the back of the tail light assembly. Once they go in like that, you just want to push it in and turn to the right. And that's it. And then you want to go ahead and put the cover on. Line up these two tabs with the back right here. With the back of the cutouts in the cloth. And then once you do that, these two just screw back on in. Okay. And then once you put it in, what you want to do is just double check to make sure it works. Put the turn signal on, and then just make sure it lights up. The only reason it's blinking fast is because the front turn signal's out. I'm going to go ahead and make a video to show you how to replace that one also.